and seek with love buried beneath the mud till I found you. But I'm always fucking up, you say I'm not easy to love. I'm not easy to love. I'm not easy to love. And you always say to me, I'm no perfect puzzle piece. And you always say, not again. No, no, not again. So here we have the finished neck. As you can see, it came out pretty good, but there's still some bad spots. We got some cracking in there. Put on the custom logo. And that's that. We gotta replace these because they're a little silly. But besides that, it turned out pretty good. So there you go. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and feel free to ask me any questions. Thanks.